when we were very little, we used to have this play called Pampana, where our parents would buy us toy guns. Some of these guns uses battery. Some of them also uses radi red beer. Or the best to the no cartoon. What I said, they use battery. They utwa. It's me to it's me all sort of sounds. And you go and hide in bushes. We just play with our friends and go and hide in bushes, sometimes on completed buildings, especially after watching action movies. Let's just say a Tory turn there, is James. Most of us can put the me say Glock on say a idea to say that me say nothing they see no and they pill. You are party about when you see this kind of better be a man and ya kofa dua. And I cook of a boyfriend near the pioneer no more woman that is our bottom quite a caution. Yeah, they feel say a chemistry because now the Gen Zs don't do it again. The Gen Zs rather than ammonia PS5 in PS4, then why no more air bone till the just are going to but Kumasi 4 PZ, Kumasi 4 or say Chrome 4 say Sankofa the Yenchi. So they went back to go and bring this play, and for some time now it has been trending online.
Hey, who run now? We are long ahead. Me a Saudi, I'm in Pesadi, no Pesada and John. I'm not the enemy of growth from the Pesada. Massa, who do you have?
I thought this was one of those trends that will not see the test of time until I saw Accra people also getting involved and Kaswa people. Then my heart started to cool because Charlie Kaswa for the Muha Jimudi and the bro. And I was like, no. If this is actually becoming a dominant thing in this country, especially in a time of election, and the police are not saying anything about it, then bro, this is a very bad thing. The police should get involved and make sure that all this nonsense going on in Kumasi and Ghana should cease. Charlie, people are using the internet to do proper thing. Before you see internet, changing how people think and all that. So yes, it is good to see that now the police are working. Some people has been arrested prior to this toy gun trend that has been going on online, and the police are looking forward to also arrest more people too.
Se bon we wa no ma nya bibia o abade ya egwu anyina ebusuafo ya che omo because of people toy Ghana eje papa PZ babia obi dutu eno ya che body nyina small tutu toy Ghana de disturb community no ti a che omo ti ebusuafo egwu anyina ya obi a che obi a onipa be tafo ya che nipa be 7 ne krofo nipa bebrebe e do mo nyina egwu ya fo ma.
What's the harm in this? Why should we arrest them in the first place? I mean, this is something I have grown and go for. The people are trying to have fun on social media. So why should the police even get involved? After all, this is a toy people that is, harmless. It won't do anything to anyone. So why should the police get involved in all this? Listen, we are in election year. You should get it. And secondly, all this play where they go on mostly. It be around Christmas season where you go see say, oh, look, kiddies, the whole damn toy people and things. But for an adult who is supposed to do your 9 to 5, get food on the table, and it is an election year, you know it. You know that Charlie, like in times like this, Nagasano, and no matter be able to say, boy, now I escalate into unimaginable proportion. Now for the you what am I gonna say? Obi the toy, so no be the chopper be a film, no assassin that could bonnet. So why should we get involved? Why should we even make this thing a trend in the first place? Especially when you know that Charlie, like the during that time I said, maybe grow. What am I gonna say? After the elections and when like you do December, so why don't you wait? Let's get into December. Now for the dibonya no, we are no more phone. But Moody Bonya Tana Bonya Bedru. And Moody Bedia Gra, a 2 and Moody Bedia Grana. No.
pew pew.
Me a cast I got.
I got my pew pew. Done.
My pew pew.
Me a cast I got.
Jump for the pew pew. Jump for the pew pew.
Anybody that try me?
Pew pew.
No. But then I saw a video of this lawyer, Makava, the video that who also said that, oh, like this is no harm, but to a certain extent, if you do it to a certain extent, then it becomes a crime. But for you to hold a toy gun and use it for trends and all that, the law doesn't criminalize it.
Using toy guns in Ghana is not an offense. There is no law that criminalizes the use of toy guns. I mean, if it's an offense, why are they selling it? Why are they allowing it to be shipped to Ghana? According to Article 19, Clause 11 of the Constitution, no one shall be punished for an offense. You cannot be punished. The government cannot punish you. The police, the courts cannot punish you for an offense that has not been written in the law. And no law in Ghana, as of now, says using toy guns is an offense. Guys, you need to understand this. Certain acts and conducts may not be an offense. However, the extent at which you use it or do it becomes an offense or becomes criminalized. Using smoking as an example, smoking in Ghana is not a crime. You are allowed to smoke cigarettes. However, according to Section 58 of the Public Health Act, you are prevented from smoking cigarettes in public. Same applies to using toy guns. While using toy guns is not an offense, there's an extent at which you use it that becomes an offense or that becomes criminalized.
You see, bro, this is not about law matter. This is not about, you know, how the law speaks on these things. This is about you sitting down to know that, bro, like this is not the right time for you to be doing certain things. And moreover, there are certain things where if you give kiddies, make them do them our own thing. You are an adult. You've had your own fair share of this kind of play when you were a child. Maybe you are not lucky enough to live your childhood dream, but that doesn't permit you to go about and be doing nonsense things. And no man so bien so, and no man and the papa bien brand for. Like, I don't even see how funny this whole thing is in the first place. What I say now I'm out to 22, so now I'm all slurry, American slay, like, you know, posing like the American gangsters. Yo, nigga, oh fuck you, no, pop. I mean, like, what's the ideal brain behind this? What I say, what are you trying to tell the generation, the people who are watching you are their echoes? What are you trying to tell them that when they have, you know, a real pill, they should go about and do what you are doing online? Charlie, yeah, why is it Apple? I grow, and it's not like some of us take things too serious, but some of what you people do is too extreme. What's the American say? You know, say catch them say munjaya, I say mutimijai because money, you know, me sign some more show us in for me. But show them what Charlie, young why is it Apple? Jimena does want internet news too much. Jimena does want internet news too much. When you go to other countries, they are using this same social media platform to make innovative things, to make sure that people's lives are being transformed. But look at us. They be able to be internet news is one Jimmy or the other. Jimmy Fufu be two back on. They be bro. Let's wise up. Jimmy Adolson. Especially in a time of elections, I only say Charlie, the way I no man corner. Yeka bompa say, Hena boni biensi. Na mu de mo so na Jimmy nko Kumasi for na Jimmy na maka so for so. Kaswa for so mu debate Messi. Ashama for so mu debate Messi. Chill, bro. 22 months if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, don't forget to put the bell on post notification. Peace out.